kumusta? Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my brand. And please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification down below so you will get notified every time I will be posting a new video. And to my returning viewers, thank you for coming by. Thank you so much for that. So, alright, so for today's video everyone, this is another sponsored video from a new company named OGBAGS.ru. This is a free product in exchange to my video. Or a little bit information about OGBAGS.ru. Replica store online, okay? So OGBAGS.ru offer this different products like bag, handbags for both men and women, sunglasses, which is we needed this now. Summer is here, so sunglasses must be very interesting, stylish, you know. So they also offer belt. What else? They also offer wallet and shoes in a different style of shoes. Summer is here, so we need to have this kind of stylish accessories. You know, this is part of our everyday. That doesn't mean that we are at this age we have to stop doing this kind of style. So, and you can also use my discount coupon, which is HC10, a dime, a dollar. As I've always said, I know inflation is here big time so much, but that doesn't mean that we have to stop shopping a price, a gift to ourselves. We work hard, so we deserve to have this kind of product, right? And another thing, I know you can afford all guys to buy all the original kind of product, but for my own opinion, why would I've always said this, why would I have to buy the original very expensive kind of product if we can buy this kind of product in this kind of store too? Replica bag, that doesn't mean it's a poor quality. Replica bag has a lot of good quality though. I'm just being practical here because I know inflation is big time so much, so being practical is not really bad though. So yeah, that's all my opinion, and I will put all the link and information below. You can reach them out in WhatsApp. They also have an Instagram, so all the information that you needed guys is in this video below. All the link I will put in this. Okay, so let's jump into the unboxing. So without further ado, let's do unboxing to this. I really can't wait though. I am so excited. This is a new company, and thank you OGBAGS.ru for trusting me, and thank you big time so much. So please see me more in the inside, and I will be doing a try on to this. Okay, thank you. Please careful when using sharp objects, okay? Very secure packaging though. This is my first unboxing with this foam outside. You know, very secure packaging. Good job, OGBAGS. Ta-da! Oh my god. Can't wait to open up this. Okay. Huh, well, that's the wrong one. Sorry, wrong one. Okay. So I have this. And I have this gift bag. Oh, I like the material though. It's, you know, it's like a plastic kind of carton. You know, it's yeah. This is new. Oh, smells really good. Everything is here. The receipt, all the paperwork for this, and I have this ribbon. Very good job packaging though. I love this one too. Let's open up this. Oh, look at that. All right, and with this, Ha. Let's check. Heavy duty dust bag. Very clean inside and out. That, very impressive. Really do. Let's proceed. Okay. Wow. Look at this. How pretty. Huh. Okay, let's take this off. Put that away. Oh. Okay. And oh, smells good. Oh, zipper slides smoothly. Sounds so. See? Can you hear that? Slides so softly. And so this has a 2 divisions for your wallet, for your phone, and there is another one, and on top of that there is a kind of another packet inside, and I have this card. Okay, so with this YSL logo, so we will check closely the inside of this. Okay. Oh, I love the handle though. Look at that. And the color of this looks like antique. I like the handle. Okay, so we'll open up this. So the lock has a Paris logo or name. I'm not sure if you can see that. Hopefully you can. So let's take this off. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This is unbelievable. This looks unreal. This doesn't look like a replica bag though, well, considering that they have the original leather that they use, although this is replica, but this doesn't look like replica really to me. And there is a Saint Laurent logo. I'm not sure if you can see that. Hope so. Let me, how's that? Okay, and this other one here is Paris, and and we will see closely to this. Look at that chain. Super. This looks so elegant. Ta-da! Oh goodness, this is beautiful. Looks classy, very elegant. What do you think? What do you say? Let's take this off. Right? So look at that closely. Oh my god. This is beautiful. Looks elegant though. What can I tell? OGBAGS, this is very beautiful. This is very pretty. And the leather is, it's not too soft and it's not too hard too. you know. So this has a packet at the back on top of the two divisions inside, and there is another small little one for cards, you know, and here, and zip smooth so perfectly. Let's take that off. So here there is a logo. Can you see that on the lock part? And I like this idea. It's a magnetic lock. Okay, what do you say? I can't wait this to try on. Beautiful. Looks very elegant. Classy, girl, classy. So, what are you waiting for? Man, gentleman, boyfriend, husband, sons, this is the right time for a gift. Giving gift. This is so beautiful. And I love the color though. I super like it. I love it. Super. I love the idea of this chain. This looks like an antique kind of style. And the color. I do have earlier the light brown, but I love this kind of color. Super. It looks very classy. What do you think? What do you say? Oh, thank you so much, OGBAGS, for this. I love it. If I will give a rate, I will give this 10. 10 of 10. The material is, as I've said, the leather is not too soft and not too hard too. You know. Thank you so much. I can't really wait to try this on. Final look before I try this on. Outdoor, okay? So, back pocket. Inside. 2 compartment with a little bit, you know, for card. And that, you hear that? Smooth so perfectly. Sounds very, you know. Okay, so let's go try this outdoor. Please see me more in my outdoor try on. Thank you.